Are you trying to eat balanced but overwhelmed by tracking your macros, weighing your food, and being on top of your portion sizes? This can be done in a much simpler way. It's called the plate method. Take a regular sized dinner plate and divide it into sections. Half of your plate should consist of non-starchy vegetables. Think salads, stir fries, green leafy vegetables. 1/4 of your plate should consist of a good source of protein. Think of chicken, fish, eggs, legumes, dal, curd. All of this can be a good source of protein that you can include. And another quarter should be a good source of complex carbohydrate. Think your grains, rice, wheat, whichever grain that you prefer. That's it. No app, no math, no calculations. What makes this method more powerful is that you're creating a natural balance in every meal, and you're automatically getting your protein, your fiber, and your carbs in the right proportion just by knowing where to place what on your plate. Comment plate and I'll send you a free guide with Indian food examples for every section of your plate.